Are you ready to see how American homes are transforming in 2025? Interior design is entering an exciting new chapter this year, where comfort meets innovation and personal style takes center stage. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all trends. 2025 is all about creating spaces that reflect who you are, while still embracing modern functionality and sustainability. From earthy tones that make your home feel warm and welcoming, to smart technology that blends seamlessly into daily living, the design world is shifting toward more thoughtful, intentional interiors. Homeowners are moving away from sterile, cookie-cutter looks and instead choosing cozy, nature-inspired, and personality-driven styles. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or just looking to refresh your living space, these 10 game-changing trends will show you how to make your home stylish, functional, and future-ready. So, let's dive into the top interior design trends taking over the USA in 2025. 1. Earthy color palettes and warm neutrals. 2025 is all about moving away from the sterile, all-white interiors that once dominated American homes. Instead, we're embracing earthy, grounding colors that create warmth, comfort, and a sense of belonging. Shades like sandy beige, clay, cinnamon, taupe, sage green, terracotta, and soft cocoa browns are taking center stage. These tones reflect a desire to slow down and reconnect with nature in a world that often feels fast-paced and digital. Designers are pairing these hues with natural textures like raw wood, rattan, stone, and linen to add depth and richness to living spaces. For example, a taupe wall with terracotta throw pillows, a clay-toned rug, and a wooden coffee table instantly creates a layered, cozy look. Even in modern urban apartments, these tones bring warmth without sacrificing style. This shift shows that homeowners want spaces that feel timeless and nurturing, not cold and clinical. 2. Biophilic and nature-inspired design. One of the biggest interior design movements in 2025 is biophilic design, which integrates nature directly into your living space. It's not just about adding a few plants. It's about transforming your environment into a natural sanctuary. Floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, indoor water features, reclaimed wood, natural stone walls, bamboo furniture, and even moss art are being incorporated to mimic the feeling of being outdoors. For city dwellers, vertical gardens and plant-filled partitions are a game-changer, adding greenery without taking up valuable floor space. Imagine a living room where the corner wall becomes a lush plant display, paired with organic-shaped furniture and warm wooden finishes. Even small changes like stone-inspired tiles, woven textures, and botanical prints can create that sense of serenity. This trend isn't just about aesthetics. It's also linked to well-being, as natural elements improve air quality, reduce stress, and bring a calming energy into the home. 3. Statement lighting as functional art. Lighting is evolving into one of the boldest design elements of 2025. No longer just for illumination, lighting fixtures are treated as artistic centerpieces that define the personality of a room. Think oversized sculptural chandeliers above dining tables, cluster pendant lights in the living room, and futuristic floor lamps that act like sculptures. Materials such as smoked glass, brushed brass, matte black, marble bases, and even woven natural fibers are being used to create drama and intrigue. Designers are also playing with shapes. Curved or asymmetrical light fixtures add movement and creativity to otherwise minimal spaces. Layered lighting has also become essential. A room might include soft ambient lights, spotlighting for artwork, and accent lights tucked under shelves to highlight decor. This flexibility allows homeowners to change the mood from cozy and intimate to bright and energizing at the push of a button. In short, lighting is now where function meets art, instantly transforming how a space feels. 4. Smart homes and seamless technology. Technology is no longer about bulky gadgets. It's about disappearing into the design while enhancing daily life. In 2025, American homes are getting smarter, but in subtle, elegant ways. Imagine controlling the lights, thermostat, blinds, and even your coffee maker with your voice or through automation, all without visible clutter. Smart mirrors in bathrooms show weather updates while you get ready. Wireless charging tables keep devices powered without cables, and hidden speakers blend into walls for an immersive experience. Living rooms feature sleek TV walls with built-in smart sound systems, while kitchens are upgrading with touchless faucets, energy-efficient smart ovens, and refrigerators that track groceries. Even furniture is evolving: sofas with built-in charging ports, beds with smart lighting, and work desks that adjust heights automatically. The focus is on effortless living, where convenience and innovation blend seamlessly with design. The result? Homes that feel futuristic, but not cluttered or overwhelming, just smooth, minimal, and stylish. 5. Multifunctional and flexible spaces. As more people continue to work, study, and live from home, multi-purpose spaces are one of the hottest design trends of 2025. The traditional idea of a room serving just one purpose is fading. Instead, homeowners are demanding flexibility, spaces that adapt to their lifestyle. For example, a living room might double as a home office with a stylish fold-out desk or a hidden workstation built into cabinetry. A guest bedroom can transform into a fitness zone with fold-away equipment. Even dining tables are getting smarter, with extendable designs for entertaining and hidden storage underneath. Designers are using modular furniture like stackable stools, nesting tables, and sectional sofas that can be rearranged depending on the occasion. Sliding glass partitions, folding doors, and movable shelving help homeowners quickly shift a space from private to open. The key is maximizing functionality without sacrificing beauty, creating homes that feel versatile, efficient, and ready for modern life. 6. Minimalism with personality, not sterile. Minimalism isn't going anywhere, but in 2025 it's being redefined. Gone are the days when minimalism meant cold white walls, sterile furniture, and a lack of personality. Instead, the new minimalism is about simplicity with warmth and character. Think of clean lines and uncluttered spaces, but enhanced with personal touches, like a statement art piece, a textured rug, or handcrafted pottery. Instead of everything matching perfectly, designers are blending natural imperfections and soulful details that make a space feel lived in and inviting. For example, a minimalist living room might feature a neutral sofa with clean lines, but paired with a handcrafted wooden coffee table and earthy ceramics. The vibe is calm and uncluttered, but not lifeless. It's modern, warm, and expressive. This trend allows homeowners to enjoy the peace of minimalism while still making their space uniquely theirs. 7. Sustainable and eco-friendly materials. Sustainability has shifted from being a bonus to being a must-have in interior design. In 2025, American homeowners are more eco-conscious than ever, choosing materials that are ethical, durable, and environmentally friendly. Furniture made from reclaimed wood, countertops crafted from recycled glass or terrazzo, and fabrics like organic cotton, hemp, and linen are in demand. Low-VOC paints, bamboo flooring, cork panels, and natural stone finishes are replacing synthetic and chemical-heavy options. But sustainability is also about longevity, investing in timeless, high-quality pieces that won't need replacing every few years. Instead of following fast furniture trends, people are buying pieces that last, both in terms of style and durability. This not only helps the environment but also creates homes that feel authentic and grounded. Many brands are now offering eco-friendly alternatives for everything from wall panels to lighting, making it easier than ever for homeowners to decorate responsibly while still looking stylish. 8. Bold accent walls and statement art. While neutral palettes are trending, 2025 is also about injecting personality into your home with bold, creative features. Accent walls and statement art are making a big comeback, but with a modern twist. Instead of simple painted walls, designers are experimenting with 3D textured wall panels, geometric patterns, stone cladding, wood slats, and even metal finishes. These add depth, dimension, and a sense of luxury to living rooms, bedrooms, and even entryways. Art is also becoming larger and more daring. Oversized abstract paintings, gallery walls with mixed frames, and custom murals are transforming plain walls into conversation starters. Homeowners are treating walls like blank canvases, using them to express personality, culture, and creativity. For example, a living room might feature a bold emerald green accent wall behind the sofa, paired with modern lighting and a gallery of black and white prints. The key is balance. One bold feature balanced with simple surroundings, so the space feels stylish, not overwhelming. 9. Curved furniture and organic shapes. Sharp, boxy furniture is stepping aside as curves and organic silhouettes dominate 2025 interior design. Inspired by nature and the mid-century modern revival, designers are leaning into rounded sofas, arched doorways, oval coffee tables, and curved headboards. These shapes not only soften the overall look of a room but also create a sense of flow and comfort. Picture a living room with a curved sectional sofa, a circular rug, and an arched built-in bookshelf. The entire space feels more welcoming and dynamic compared to rigid, linear layouts. Organic shapes also tie in beautifully with biophilic design, echoing the natural forms we see in landscapes, rivers, and plants. Materials like plush boucle, velvety fabrics, and smooth stone finishes make these rounded pieces even more inviting. This trend is all about comfort meets elegance, turning living spaces into cozy yet stylish retreats that feel timeless and chic. 10. Personalized and storytelling interiors. The biggest trend of 2025 isn't just about colors or furniture, it's about making your home feel uniquely yours. Homeowners are moving away from Pinterest's perfect spaces that all look the same and are instead embracing personal storytelling in design. This means incorporating decor that reflects your journey, culture, memories, and values. For example, displaying travel souvenirs, using heirloom furniture alongside modern pieces, or curating a gallery wall of personal photography. Custom furniture, handmade artwork, and one-of-a-kind vintage finds are also in high demand. The result is a home that doesn't just look stylish, it feels authentic and emotionally rich. Instead of chasing every new trend, people are mixing the modern with the personal to create spaces that spark joy and tell a story. In 2025, the most beautiful homes are not the ones that follow every design rule. They're the ones that reflect the personality of the people who live in them. As we've seen, 2025 is all about balance, blending comfort with sophistication, modern innovation with timeless design, and personal expression with sustainability. From earthy tones and biophilic elements to bold accent walls, smart technology, and storytelling interiors, these trends prove that American homes are becoming more functional, more stylish, and more personal than ever before. The key takeaway? Don't just follow trends blindly. Pick the ideas that resonate with your lifestyle and personality. Whether that's a cozy curved sofa, a sustainable reclaimed wood table, or a bold accent wall that makes a statement,